SMCI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at SMCI, all I'm honestly just observing is a beautiful increase in price today. Now, I've spent 5 figures in the last 5 years on courses and mentors and have more than 39,000 video proof documented on this YouTube channel. My genuine 2 cents on this is I'm like ready to pull the trigger on this, right? Not only was I waiting for like a lower time frame shift here to take things up, I was also wanting to see the price break above 37.40 in order, for me to begin taking things further higher. But in this case, this is just like one big gap up, and unless the price does shift down and shows me any sort of break, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to further take it up, right? Like when it's gappy, I mean, I hate to say it, but rules are not met, so therefore not looking to force no trades, still waiting to fill in this gap and maybe then take advantage of this opportunity. Because in trading there is 2 games. In trading there is getting inside a trade game and then managing the trade game, right? So I will continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.